Hi, I'm Mario the Maker Magician, and this is Bear. Today we'll be making the Balancing Tower of Awesomeness. Dun, dun. The Balancing Tower of Awesomeness is a mystery of magic, where all kinds of everyday objects completely defy gravity and balance into a tower of
Awesomeness.
What do we need, Bear?
We need 2 playing cards,
A card box,
a toilet paper roll,
funny flowers from the previous video,
and a cardboard bag.
a paper lunch bag, some scotch tape, and scissors. And don't forget the quarter. Let's do this. Take your scissors and 1 playing card and cut it right down the middle.
Tape 1/2 the playing card to the other playing card.
See how it's lined up on all directions? Press it down, lined up, just like that. Carefully turn it over.
You can put another piece of tape on.
Go back to this side and make sure everything lines up.
Just like this.
So this is our magic gimmick. This side, yes. This side, no. When we quickly move it and show it on both sides, it looks like 1 card.
Da-da! Next, put the quarter inside the card box and then close it down.
Open up your bag, put your toilet paper roll inside, your gimmick playing card inside, your funny flower inside, and your card box.
Now it's time to perform it.
First thing you have to do is take the gimmick playing card out of the bag. Show the gimmick card both sides like this and explain your trick. I'm about to build
Tower of Awesomeness.
and then secretly balance it behind the bag like this. Bear, what should we take out next?
A toilet paper roll.
Take out your toilet paper roll next and put that on top of your gimmick card like this. Next, we take out our playing card box. Remember the quarter that's inside? That's there to keep weight right on the corner, and we balance that right on top of the toilet paper roll. And now the audience starts to get a peek of what's happening.
Next, take out your funny flower.
Slide it into the edge of the card box so it goes right inside.
Now reveal the Balancing Tower of Awesomeness.
Dun 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 dun. What? After they revel in the amazement, all you have to do is close the flap with your thumb and with your fingers like this, showing both sides of the card inside of the toilet paper roll. One by one, you can place it in the bag and continue the awesomeness of your magic show.
Yeah. It's DIY magic.
Here's a few tips. You don't have to build a whole tower of awesomeness. You can take your wonderful card gimmick, balance it behind the bag just like we did, take the toilet paper roll, balance it on top, and you can take your bag and slowly and carefully balance that on top. Separate, show both sides again, and take your bow. This is the Tower of Awesomeness.
Where's the quarter?
What? Okay, stop, please! Stop it!